Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day you guys have been waiting on for the past few days, but we are going to head out to Josh's, bring my new head gaskets, load up my block in my truck, head out to Josh's, and get the long block assembled. Sick. We just got the short block and the heads, and I made sure to grab the headsets this time. All loaded up in the truck, and we're now heading out to Josh's to get this long block assembled. Well, we just got to Josh's shop. I have the heads inside. I'm gonna go ahead, take these apart, get them ready for Josh to torque them down. He's just currently tuning a customer car, so that gives me time to get these heads prepped and ready for him.
I'm just over here slaving.
Beautiful S3. Time to brake clean. I went ahead and got one head taken apart, stripped down, and cleaned out. Since these heads were not hot tanked, I went through with some brake cleaner, getting all the oil off the mating surfaces, got the mating surfaces on the block cleaned off as well. Now I'm just waiting on Josh to get these heads bolted up.
That thing's brand new though.
Well, as you guys just saw, we got the long block assembled. The heads are torqued down, everything is good. I finally now have my long block put together. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record that process because the torque specs and whatnot are Josh's trade secret, so I cannot publish that on YouTube, unfortunately. So I had to set down the camera and I wasn't able to record that process of it. But I was really trying to take that motor home tonight so I can get the long block, like the intake manifold on, all of that good stuff assembled. But unfortunately, it is dumping snow again here, and I do not have a bed cover, and I don't want my motor sitting exposed. It's like a 30-minute drive home. So unfortunately, I am going to be leaving the motor here tonight until I can go home and properly secure the motor before I bring it back so water isn't getting inside and whatnot. So unfortunately, that is going to be today's video. It was very, very short, unfortunately, but since I am doing daily uploads, I don't have the luxury of waiting till tomorrow and making it all one video. But stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're gonna get that long block 100% assembled, besides the timing component, because I'm still waiting on my IAG tensioner to show up. I don't know when that's gonna be, but we can do everything besides time the motor, and there's not much left to do after that. Also, I wouldn't have been able to finish the whole long block anyway tonight because it's currently 4:30 and the Subaru parts place closes now, and by the time I'd be able to make it there, so I wouldn't be able to get like my intake manifold gaskets and exhaust manifold gaskets that I need to finish the long block, because today ended up taking longer than expected. But tomorrow, that is what I'll head over to Subaru first thing in the morning, grab all the parts I need, probably head out to Josh's, and I'm thinking I might just assemble everything there because the shop is heated as opposed to mine, which is freezing cold. If you guys saw my last video, you guys can just see my breath and how cold it is in there. So it might be more enjoyable assembling the long block and making sure it's 100% sealed before I throw it in the bed of my truck. And then after I finish completely sealing up the motor at Josh's shop, the only thing I'm waiting on is that timing tensioner. As soon as that comes in, I'll get the motor timed, thrown back into the car. The small things like starter, the radiator and whatnot, and then the car is good to start. I'm really hoping I can get a first startup for you guys this weekend. Obviously, I don't have any updated shipping information with my tensioner, so that is the only thing I am waiting on. But as soon as that comes in, the day that comes in, I will get this car running. I know Josh is trying to see my car hit this dyno this month, so am I. I'm trying to make crazy power, so hopefully there isn't any crazy delays and we can get this STI on the road very soon here.